Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. Welcome to another episode of Sergio's Diaries. Well, I do not drive a minivan and I do not do Excel. But as the title of this short video suggests, do not depend on consistency of earnings on Uber or Lyft. Just like last year, Lyft eliminated Lyft Lux, stranding a lot of drivers with fresh notes on their cars. And what happened? Welcome to Uberland. Now Uber seems like they are eliminating all minivans from doing comfort trips. I mean, I do realize Excel is a good moneymaker for a lot of people, but there aren't that many trips on the platforms. A lot of Excel drivers sent me over 50 emails within a half an hour period yesterday, right before Show Me the Money Club. I received these emails, as you guys can see in the screenshots. And all of these emails had one commonality, which was Excel drivers, minivan owners, such as 2023 Toyota Sienna, 2021, 2022 Siennas, 2022 Dodge Caravans. And it definitely looks like Uber is eliminating comfort trips from the vocabulary of the drivers. Now, I am trying to confirm this with them. They haven't gotten back to me yet, but 50 emails going out in different cities, different states cannot be a glitch. I'm trying to warn you people that if you bought a new minivan to do comfort as well as Excel, and now you're forced to just do X and Excel and shared trips, you're definitely going to see a decrease in your earnings. I don't know why they do this, but then again, just go back to the title of the video. There is no consistency. These apps can do whatever the hell they want without any warning. And then what? You're stuck with a note on a freshly purchased car. I don't know what percentage of trips on the Uber platform are from Excel, but they cannot be as common as comfort trips. Well, there goes your neighborhood. Now you can only probably are going to be able only to do Excel, X, and shared, as the screenshots indicate. You can still do comfort and comfort electric until this also seems like Tesla Model 3s are being eliminated, by the way, from doing comfort trips. It definitely is going to be a tough situation. How do they decide to do these things on a whim? I don't know. But as of January 15th, 2025, if you own a minivan or a Tesla Model 3, you will not be able to do comfort. Well, please chime in the comments below, and more importantly, join us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern for Show Me the Money Club.